Hey guys. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best mini table saw available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion research and customer reviews. We've considered the table saws for their quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews, okay? So let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5 on our list. We have the Uanu mini table saw. This Uanu model wins our award for the best overall mini table saw on our list. With this model, you get all the features you would expect in a full-size machine with a compact footprint. You get adjustable speed, cutting height, and beveling. This model is a great choice for enthusiasts that don't have space for a full-size table saw in their workshop. The compact size of 9.457.875.12, weight about 4 kilograms, portable, and suitable for home use. With accessories of different packages which can realize various functions such as cutting, polishing, carving, drilling, helping you to complete various handmade works, WOODEN and metal models, handmade crafts. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4. We have the Appstore mini table saw. And craftspeople looking for a compact but useful mini table saw will love this model. You get a beveling tabletop with an adjustable cutting angle and powerful motor. This model is tiny, but you get full functionality for your crafts. It costs a variety of materials, including plastic, ceramics, and metals. Best of all, this model comes with an affordable price tag, making it our choice for the best budget model on our list. At number 3. We have the Dewalt mini table saw. Carpenters and contractors looking for a professional level machine will get the best value from this Dewalt mini table saw. Dewalt has a reputation as one of the premier brands in the power tool industry. Speak to any Dewalt owner and they'll tell you the tool lasts for years, providing no service issues. This mini table saw from Dewalt is another excellent example of product quality from this global brand. With this table saw, you get an adjustable speed motor running at speeds up to 5,800 RPM. Dewalt builds tools for contractors, so you can be sure you're getting a motor that won't burn out during your work. At number 2. We have the Libby mini table saw. This model from Libby offers hobbyist carpenters an excellent choice for a functional and efficient mini table saw. This model is not only affordable, but it comes with plenty of accessories and plenty of functionality. However, it's somewhat of an unknown brand, so you'll have to take that into account when making your purchase. If you can get past the unknown brand name, you'll find that this company actually manufactures some top quality power tools. This mini table saw is the 3rd generation of the saw offered by the company, and it's best to date. With this version of the table saw, you get a larger operating platform for better control over your work. And finally at number 1. We have the MicroLux Mini Tilt Arbor table saw. When it comes to choosing the best premium model for this review, this MicroLux model nearly usurps the Dewalt for the title of the best premium model in this review. Like the Dewalt, the MicroLux comes with a heavy price tag, but it's $50 more affordable than the Dewalt. However, you get plenty of functionality of the machine. It's also notably lighter, measuring 11 pounds on the scales, which is around 40 pounds lighter than the Dewalt. However, you don't get any loss on cutting power or efficiency with the MicroLux. This model offers superior cutting accuracy on any material. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.